thought it'd be interesting to see the finished item. I've taken mouldings of the original escutcheons, and I found that they were made from silver, and I had a couple cast in silver. Those are the two that were missing down at the bottom. And also I've made a key. I've made it out of bronze. Took a casting of the original. So that's the key that I've made. And of course there it is, there's the original. But that's the bronze one, which I've patinated a bit to make it look old. But it's quite interesting to see how this lock works. Do you see this, the escutcheon? It actually has little shapes in it which allow the key to pop into the hole. Now this is the interior. I've replaced all of these little fellas on here, and I've made another rail which fits on the top. There were three missing little knobs. That one's mother of pearl, as you can see there. That's the original, and I made a rubber mold of that, and then cast the missing ones. So there they are, cast, and then there's another one at the top there. Now, what I'll do is I'm just doing this one-handed. It's rather tricky. So this comes out, and that opens, and I've turned a little knob there. Now I haven't put mother of pearl in. That could do to push if was required. So, there we go. Very noble piece of furniture, this. Incidentally, this opens. I'll do it on the other hand as well. And there we are. There's the interior, and it's really nice to see these drawer slips. Aren't they nice? And it's Cuban mahogany, the base. Very, very nice. All done, ready to go back to the customer. If you're interested in aspects of traditional restoration and conservation, please visit our website at www.arc-services.com.au for downloadable how-to videos and accompanying ebooks.